Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account and SIM readiness. Open the Jio app and confirm your plan is listed as 5G Unlimited and billing shows active. Next, check that the SIM or eSIM is provisioned for 5G on Jio's network and physically seated properly if it's a nano SIM. Once done, update carrier settings and your phone OS to the latest release. This ensures network authentication and compatibility. Make sure roaming preferences are off unless needed, because that can block native 5G. You now optimize device network settings to force a proper 5G attach. First, set preferred network mode to 5G/LTE rather than automatic or 3G only, because phones can default wrong. If you recently ported or changed SIMs, reset network settings to clear stale profiles. Then manually select the Jio network, save it, and toggle airplane mode to force a fresh registration. This forces the phone to request the 5G profile. Also verify APN matches Jio's default values so data routing is correct. You finish with advanced checks and a clear troubleshooting tip. First, confirm local 5G coverage and band availability. If the tower lacks 5G or your band is unsupported, you won't get 5G despite having an unlimited plan. If coverage looks fine, test the SIM in a known 5G phone or try another Jio SIM in your device to isolate whether the SIM, device, or provisioning is at fault. If problems persist, contact Jio support and provide your IMSI, IMEI, and precise test timestamps so they can trace provision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.